Hello again, loves. We got a little bit of an unboxing. As you know, Close to My Heart recently closed down, and they get an agreement with the company Stampin' Up! That we were able to sign up for a really good deal. So I took the deal. I'm still trying to navigate everything, so if you want to buy anything from me from Stampin' Up!, please just let me know. But this was my starter bundle. And this is, $125 will get you. So, which that's what they give for their starter bundle. So this is the Bee Builder Punch. I got that in conjunction with this. I believe that it's discontinued. Everything that they sent me was ended in April of 2024. So obviously all the catalogs and stuff I just threw away. But I used to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator back in the day. I don't plan on holding card classes or anything. I'm not going to do cards. But this is what we have. So it's, well, this is new. Okay, so this is all new since I have, it used to be green, so they went to black. But they do have that. So that's kind of fun. So you can only see what the stamps are. Be Mine, You're as Sweet as Honey. I just got them to build the bees, right? Because my dog's name is Bee. So, and I absolutely love and adore Stampin' Up! Punches. You will notice, you have noticed if you followed me for any amount of time, I have mostly Stampin' Up! Punches. I've got the 2 3/8 circle punch. Because why not? So I like that one. Huge glare for you there. Let's just kick that light that way, huh? I got the Tropical Leaf Punch. And pretty much 80% of all my stamps are Stampin' Up! So we've come full circle. And then I got this little bundle here, which is the inked and tiled punch pack. So I thought this would be fun to make a lot of layouts because you've got the two pieces, right? So you've got the two pieces to create with. So I've got all of those, and then I just had extra and I was trying to make the most of it. I do remember these used to be like a little metal. These are the classic matte dots, and I got them in just the classic colors. So, or not the classic colors, but in the neutral tones. All right, and they sent me a free kit. So it's the Paper Pumpkin. I used to be a member of Paper Pumpkin. So these are very fun if you just want to scrap on the go. I do remember they were chocked full, but like I said, you guys, I haven't had any Stampin' Up! Any kind of contact or anything since I left the business probably 10 years ago. Just because I got out of card making. All right. So this is our Paper Pumpkin, and we get the Lost Lagoon. I had all of the Stampin' Up! Ink pads, but when I moved to Close to My Heart, I got rid of all of those. I still have all the re-inkers though, and I have all Close to My Heart. So it says start your Paper Pumpkin journey in 3 easy steps. And I don't know what the monthly fee is, but I'm sure we could figure that out. I don't need that in my life. It comes with a little ink pad, so it's a Stampin' Spot, and then you get a stamp. And it used to be wrapped in a beautiful orange. So let's just see. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I stuck that back in there. So this is to make with love and gratitude Paper Pumpkin kit. This is from September of 2023. And you just make cards. So it's got everything in here to make cards. This might be fun to just make cards and save the tissue paper. And that's it, you guys. So what are your thoughts and experiences with paper? Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin, any of this fun stuff? That was in there so much nicer. I used to have, like, I think I still have tons of these. So we're going to leave that together. And let me know, would you guys be interested in ordering from me? If you already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, please do that. I'm still trying to figure out. I don't remember how the websites work. I just got a lot of work to do. So Thank you so much for taking this journey with me. If you were a loyal, close to my heart customer, I would love to have you in Stampin' Up, but no hard feelings if you already have someone. So just reach out to me with any of your questions, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.